Hey, thank you for visiting the channel. I really appreciate it. This is Fluent Football, the channel that helps coaches, analysts, scouts, and other football professionals become more confident in their English skills so they can grow their careers around the world in football. On this channel, you'll find easy to understand English lessons that focus on the world of football, from pitch side communication to tactical vocabulary and match analysis. We cover it all. We also have interviews and real conversations with real professionals in the world of football. Whether you're preparing for a coaching course in English, working abroad, or just want to improve your communication with players and staff, this is the channel that will help you. When you subscribe, you'll get clear, practical videos made especially for people like you. Football professionals who want to learn English that's useful on the pitch, not just in a textbook. I upload new videos every week, so there's always something new for you to learn and put to work straight away on the pitch or in your analysis. Thanks again for checking out the channel, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. See you in Fluent Football.